everybody, this is Jeanice Cabale with Cabale Media, and today we're going to talk about Figma versus Canva versus Photoshop. Ever had the problem of choosing what solution is better for you? Today we're going to break that down. Stay tuned. Today we are going to go over the differences between Figma, Photoshop, and Canva, use case scenarios, and what they are best for. So let's start with Figma. Figma is great for UX and UI design, team collaboration, where things like Photoshop are best for detailed image editing and then creative freedom. I personally use Photoshop, love it. I think it's the best tool out there. May not be suitable for your needs. And then we'll go into Canva. Canva is great for non-designers or beginners, but don't design much, but need to get graphics out quicker or need to get graphics out quickly with a professional touch to them. Let's go over use cases. Scenario one, a startup team that works remotely can collaborate on a graphic or a layout they need to go out right away. I've done this when I've created email layouts where I'll be working on a file and somebody else on the other side of the country or a different state need to work on that file as well. And then we collaborate and work as a team and get that design out as quick as possible. It could be a little difficult. You see mouses moving around, but it's just kind of part of the process. You can get things done quicker to a certain extent if you work better as a team. It goes in different ways, but if you can work better as a team, then I think Figma shines in this particular situation. Scenario two. Now, if you are a photo editor or somebody who wants high-end, maximized quality graphics, Photoshop is going to be your best bet. This is where Photoshop shines, and it's your only option. If you want that picture-perfect type of image, then Photoshop is what you're going to need to use. And then scenario three, Canva is perfect if you need to get graphics out faster. And let's say you're a social media manager and you need to get it out as quick as you can. That is where Canva is going to shine. You could get graphics out as quick as you need to, and then everything like templates and fonts are already embedded there for you, and you don't need to do anything more. Let's do a feature by feature breakdown. Let's say, for example, collaboration and cloud-based design. Figma is real-time collaboration, great for teams. Again, if you're working on different layouts and you want to get this layout quicker, you have a lot of minds working on it, but at the same time, it could get a little messy because everybody is clicking on the file at once, but it's great for a team effort to get out and as quick as possible. Photoshop is mostly offline. There are certain things that Adobe Creative Cloud can do, but it's really one of those things that you're going to be working on by yourself. Again, I use Photoshop for the most part, and I love it. I use Figma back and forth, depending on what client needs what and what they need to get done at the current time. I don't ever use Canva. I used it once just to play with it, but I was looking for stock images, so I didn't really use Canva. So here's a scenario when it comes to cloud-based design and things like that. A product designer needs to get a prototype up of a mobile app and share updates with developers in real time. This is where Figma is the best. You make it, send it out right away. Developers can go in and fix whatever they need to fix. Scenario two, a solo photographer needs to edit prints and doesn't need collaboration. Photoshop works the best. And then scenario three, a marketing team needs to create and edit a brand kit, and Canva's team plan is perfect for that reason. You can get graphics out quickly and it's professional and it looks great. Let's talk about customization and flexibility. Figma is vector-based, flexible for UI UX, but is limited in high image details. Now, Photoshop, this is the best for pixel perfect edits and then heavy graphic manipulation. Canva is drag and drop, so of course I have something to say about that. But again, if you're a social media marketer, you can get things out quick and easy with no time. Use cases. A UI designer, scenario one, needs to build a responsive layout. Scenario one, a UI designer needs to build a responsive layout. This is where Figma shines. Figma is the only real option. Scenario two, Photoshop, a digital artist wants full control over brushes and textures. Photoshop is going to be your best fit. And then scenario three, a local business owner wants a simple flyer but has no type of design experience, so Canva is the easy. Drag and drop is great if you need to get out things really quick. If you want pixel perfect things, Photoshop is the best. And then Figma, if you're doing UI UX design, use it to your advantage. It works quick, it's easy, and everybody can collaborate. Pricing and accessibility. Figma is free for individuals, but there's paid plans for teams. Photoshop paid subscription is $20.99 a month. Now, the full Creative Cloud is about $32. I think it's $36 now with tax. I say you pay the full $36. It's worth it. I think you can pay a yearly plan. I pay the monthly plan, not entirely sure, but it's great. And then Canva, there's a free version available, Pro for $12.99 a month. Again, I can't say so much about Canva because I don't use it, but if you're somebody who doesn't design often, it probably is worth it for you. Scenario 1, use cases. A freelancer with a limited budget needs a free tool for design work. Figma or Canva will work the best. And then scenario 2, a professional graphic designer charges premium rates and needs a full creative control and suite. Photoshop is worth the cost. And then scenario 3, a business owner is creating occasional marketing material. Canva Pro offers value. Final recommendations. Choose Figma if you work in UX UI design and need collaboration. Choose Photoshop if you need advanced photo editing and design control. And then choose Canva if you need quick and easy templates for social media use or business. Which tool do you use? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below other than what tools you use. Let me know what your current strategy is. If this helps, if you need more advice on what tools to use, I'd be happy to help. But now I've broken down what exactly is going to be best for your marketing and your marketing material. Hopefully this helps, and I'm glad to help. If you like the video, again, you can like, share, and subscribe with the notification bell. Visit the socials. You can email me at jcabale at Cabale Media. You can go to cabalemedia.com and get your free 30-minute consultation about all things email marketing. And yeah, that is it. This is Jeanice Cabale, and I'll see you at the next video.